Ever been stuck trying to find free, high-quality materials for your designs? With PopAi, those days are over. No downloads, no hassle. Just open PopAi, tap into the DALL-E 3 image gen feature, and let the magic happen. Let's start simple. In seconds, PopAi whipped up this stunning shot. A perfect angle, the spotlight hitting the center of the basketball court, and dramatic light and shadow. Next, let's add a person. Look at this. Every detail's nailed, from muscle tone to the hands. Now for something dynamic. Here's an intense moment on the court. So lifelike, you can almost hear the crowd. Not quite right? Just click regenerate until it's perfect. Then download or save it to your notes. Ready to create? PopAi's got you covered. Get started now.